Welcome viewers. Islamophobia defined. I'm Dr. J.W. Ayub. Excuse me. When the labels stop being questioned. Have you ever wondered what happens when a definition becomes the one thing nobody is allowed to define? The investigation has now reached an uninspected destination. Every important word in medicine is examined. Every scientific theory is challenged. Every law is interpreted. Every historical claim is tested. Yet some public labels appear to occupy a different position. People debate who deserves them. Few debate the label itself. I notice as I investigate this an extraordinary reversal. The accusation is investigated, the definition is not. People defend it, people reject it, institutions adopt it, policies reference it, media repeats it. Yet remarkably, few stop to ask, what exactly are we defending? A healthy investigation should be capable of examining and verifying everything, including its own language. None of this denies the reality of genuine anti-Muslim hatred or discrimination or intimidation or violence. Those behaviours deserve clear recognition and unequivocal condemnation. The behavioural concern is different. When society begins treating a word as beyond examination, the word quietly acquires authority without accountability, and that's a problem. And perhaps that's how definitions slowly become assumptions. Assumptions become policy, policy becomes culture, and culture eventually forgets the original question. And the investigation therefore arrives at a simple principle. No idea becomes stronger by avoiding examination. It becomes stronger only after surviving it, and they haven't done that with this word yet, Islamophobia. And perhaps the most trustworthy definitions are not those protected from scrutiny, as in this case, but those are refined. The word Islamophobia could be defined and redefined because of it, because of examination and verification.